The SDT-340 detects trends and analyzes ultrasound and vibration data from all your industrial equipment. It is an all-in-one condition monitoring solution designed to inspect and gather data from every potentially faulty industrial asset present in your plant. With its cutting-edge technology and user-friendly design, it's your key to unlocking valuable insights into asset health. With the SDT-340, you can easily upload and organize results using the UltraAnalysis registered Trademark Suite 3 UAS3 software. This gives you the flexibility to customize your condition monitoring strategy, ensuring that you're always in control. No more struggling to remember measurements or risking errors due to memory lapses. The enhanced SDT-340 simplifies the inspection process, saving you valuable time and effort in the field. SDT-340 ultrasound solution can be used for a number of applications in your plant. 1. Mechanical condition monitoring. Identify early-stage bearing defects to prevent unplanned failures. 2. Bearing lubrication monitoring. Verify optimum bearing lubrication. 3. Compressed air and gas leak detection. Find air leaks, decrease energy consumption, and maximize uptime. 4. Electrical equipment. Fault detection. Safely inspect electrical systems with ultrasound. 5. Steam trap testing and maintenance. Keep your steam clean, safe, and energy efficient. 6. Hydraulic systems. Monitoring. Detect leakage, bypassing, and blockages. 7. Valve condition monitoring. When your valves are closed, are they really closed? 8. Tightness testing. Ultrasonic tightness testing offers a complete global solution with unheard-of accuracy and reliability. Key features: navigation images added to the UAS3 software can be viewed on the device. Record time waveform data up to 10 minutes in duration with enhanced signal data. Recall historical data for trending and alarming in-the-field acquisition. The intuitive interface to UAS3 allows for data collection in off-route mode, signal analysis based on the 4 condition indicators RMS, max RMS, peak value, and crest factor. Enhance productivity in the field with on-screen time signal, spectrum, split-screen view, and icon navigation. Experience enhanced impact detection with focus mode up to 256,000 sample rate. See defects others simply cannot. Pan and expand your time signal or spectrum and list the highest values to improve in-field diagnosis. Cut the cord with SDT-340's high-definition Bluetooth headphones. Interoperability of sensors such as ultrasound contact, ultrasound airborne, accelerometer, built-in infrared temperature and tachometer. The SDT-340 gives you the option of viewing essential information directly on the detector itself and allows you to view images including the machine, the specific point to be examined, and the sensor required, all easily imported from UAS3. With clear visual indications at your fingertips, you can carry out inspections confidently and efficiently, ensuring that every task is done precisely and that measurements are taken in exactly the same place every time. Once you've taken these measurements, simply return to the UAS3 software to effortlessly update the measurements for the corresponding point. To top it off, thoughtful icon navigation speaks to the user in any language, while a split-screen view adds versatility to in-the-field tasks. The SDT-340 is designed to withstand the rigors of the field. Its extruded aluminum case is protected by shockproof rubber, ensuring it can handle the bumps and knocks of daily use. For added protection and cleanliness, you can opt for the heavy-duty nylon holster, which prevents dust ingress and general wear and tear while keeping your ultrasound unit in pristine condition. When it comes to diagnosis, accuracy is paramount. The SDT-340's high signal resolution, or HSR, feature increases the sampling rate and sensitivity, allowing you to confidently detect even the most challenging defects. It's your tool for uncovering hidden issues and ensuring your assets are in top shape. Our commitment to innovation drives the SDT-340. We aim to be at the forefront of ultrasound hardware, software, and training. By staying connected to our customer partnerships, we continuously improve our products, We believe in keeping our customers informed about these innovations, which is why we've dedicated a section in the device where you can explore all the exciting additions to your predictive maintenance tool. With the About the Update section of the SDT340, you'll never have to wonder what's new. The SDT340 is built with quality and durability. That's why it's offered an unprecedented lifetime warranty. Imagine never having to worry about repair costs for your ultrasound detector again. If you found this useful, please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel and visit www.monitormaxengine.com for more updates on machine condition monitoring.